Marshall, where the winds here continue to pick up. Just moments ago, we saw that the fire over on this end jumped over that fence, and if you could see there, there's smoke in that area, and the fire jumped over on this side, but it looks like the flames did reignite. Now again, about...
Yeah, Jim, we're at the intersection of Eldorado Circle and Indiana Street. This is Eldorado Circle that goes through, and you can see that these are some of the homes that we've been watching burn for about the past hour. And there were some to the south, one or two to the north, and we've really seen this start to squeeze the homes that were not on fire yet. Again, this is Eldorado Circle, about the 800 block, and this is the homes that are backed up to some open space. So
It's a sign right there. Holy crap!
Hey, I'm just letting you know, it's like, I mean, it's like super bad up here. You can't even see out.
It's like a tornado.
Yellow, black right now outside. You can't even see the parking lot. That's how bad it is. So, as far as I know, I don't know what's going on, but I'm just letting you know. Yeah, gotta close the doors. It's so smoky in the storm right now.
hi, guys.
Oh, they're here, but they're fenced in.
All right.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's go this way, guys.
Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. All right. All right.
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office!
Ma'am, you have to evacuate.
Yeah, we are. We're back. We're
Okay,
back. We're leaving
let's
right now.
load up and let's go, okay?
Ayuda, Brujio, pero no tengo carro.
No habla.
Don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
No.
Get in.
I will.
Back this side. Back door, back door. Door, see.
There's two cats and a dog.
Okay, they can ride in there.
Okay, do I bring my suitcase or no?
Bring whatever's absolutely essential. I don't have much room, but we can fit what we can. I'll grab this.
Okay.
Here, let me get him in the car.
Okay, sounds great. She's super friendly.
Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Up you go. Up you go. Oh, go, go, go. Stay, stay. Where's the cat? Okay. All right, this is gonna go up front. Sure. It's gonna be tight.
Sure, that's fine.
When we get out, call your husband. I'll have him meet you. Go back Of course, man. That's what we're here for. Towards Denver. Go towards Denver. Evacuate now. East, go. Evacuate.
We're evacuating from the back of the building.
Okay. Everybody head east. Go towards 36. Move now. Leave your stuff. Go. The fire's at the back. Go. Everybody head east. Get out of the store now. When you get on the road, go eastbound. Everybody evacuate the store now.
We're evacuating.
Get out of the store, head eastbound, leave your stuff, go now. Evacuate Costco now. Head eastbound, leave your carts, go. Everybody evacuate! Get out of the store now! Go eastbound! Head towards Denver! Head towards Denver! Let's evacuate now! Leave whatever you're doing, go! Fire out back! Fire out back!
Let's go!
Drop whatever you're doing! Head east! Boulder County Sheriff's Office, evacuate now!
Follow me. Are these your dogs? No? Okay, do you want me to take them?
I guess.
Okay, I'll take them. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hopper.